The I Am Knowledge Award. The purpose of the I Am Knowledge Award is to honor those who are committed to spreading wisdom and facilitating learning opportunities. By acknowledging these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in educational initiatives and highlight the profound impact of knowledge on personal and community development. This award can significantly impact by, number 1, showcasing innovative educational practices and systems. Number 2, encouraging community members to value and pursue lifelong learning. Number 3, providing recognition and support to educators and mentors who often work behind the scenes. Number 4, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of education in community empowerment. Nominate a hero at HigherSelf.Awards.org.